meat, noodles, broth, and veggies. A combination of elements featured in many different cuisines. But Taiwan has somehow taken this combination and made it their own, laying claim to a dish that is seemingly simple on the surface, but in actuality is a deep symbol of the national pride here. You see beef noodle everywhere. Walk into a 7-Eleven, beef noodle flavored potato chips. There's even an international beef noodle competition.
International Beef Noodle Festival is
How tasty are Taipei's famous beef noodles?
What is it about this dish? And how do I get some? Taipei knows how to do a savory breakfast. We're here at this restaurant, which is like an institution in Taipei. It's open 24 hours, and we have a bunch of different savory pastries, dumplings, bao, omelets, all sorts of stuff. And then it's all balanced out by this sweet soy soup. They make their own soy products in-house, so there's the soy soup, and then they have sweetened and salty soy milk as well. That's a big part of Taiwanese food, and we are loving it. Is that yummy? Yes. Everything is made very fresh. In fact, they don't even freeze the meat. Outside, we saw them frying these pastries. They fry them up and then they put them inside with pickled vegetables. The outside of it is like a fried steam bun that they wrap it in. I'm gonna try it. Ooh, it's spicy. Woo! It's definitely spicy. It was such a family-centered restaurant. They couldn't have been kinder. The food was made fresh and was delicious and flavorful. We're heading out today to a town called Jiufin, which is good because I seriously need to digest as I prepare for beef noodle tonight.
Wow.
This place is called Jiufin. Every local I spoke to made it clear that I should not miss it. One of the really cool things about this area is that it has a street that just winds through the mountain village, and it's just covered with different street food options. We're gonna go through and try a few things, explore the different food options, but pace ourselves because we have beef noodle coming up tonight, and I know I don't want to be too full. Okay, we're all suited up. Ready to go? It is absolutely stunning and pouring. We're not mad though, right?
Yeah.
Right. It has a lot of Japanese influence, and it was actually said that it was part of the inspiration for some of Miyazaki's films, specifically Spirited Away. So I'm pretty excited about that. It's still raining super hard, so we're gonna go find some cover, get some street food, and explore like the main market strip. Street food here is the name of the game. I was told I have to try the taro bowl soup, deep fried fish, and Taiwanese sausage, but honestly, I'll try whatever. We're here at Grandma Lai's taro balls. This is one of the most popular places here. These are sweet taro balls that can be served cold or hot. We decided to go with hot. They come in a variety of flavors. So there's taro, sweet potato pumpkin, and a few others. We're gonna try it.
Yes, I doesn't like these.
That's good. It has a really starchy, chewy texture, which makes sense with it being a rice ball, but it almost tastes slightly like a marshmallow, like it has that like creamy sweet flavor too. It's really good. Taiwanese sausage is a very specific thing, and it was on like the top 10 list of things to try when in Taiwan, so I'm excited. Here goes it. It's like smoky and sweet. It's a little too fatty for me, but I could see how this, because of the distinctness of the flavor and the texture, could be someone's favorite. Okay. You're gonna try it first. That was the biggest mushroom I've ever seen in my life.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, it's so meaty.
The oyster sauce is great. We made it through the market, and this is easily one of the most beautiful cities I've ever been to. The views, the vendors, the temples, it has such a unique feel to it. That being said, we're all freezing cold and drenched, so we're really looking forward to getting a big, hot, steaming bowl of beef noodle. jet lag is catching up with us because both the boys are asleep. We're trying to wake them up. We're at the beef noodle restaurant. This one was mentioned in the Taipei Eater Guide. They went on and on and on about how amazing it is. The broth is supposed to be seasoned perfectly. The meat is supposed to just melt in your mouth. And the noodles are supposed to have that firm, perfect, chewy quality. So I'm really, really excited. It's been a long day. I've been looking forward to this. I've been thinking about it. Let's do it. From a glance, it doesn't look like anything special. In fact, it's a bit of a hole in the wall. But the second you walk in, flooded with the sights, smells, and sounds, you understand what sets this place apart. So the lifeblood of beef noodle is the broth, and this place is supposed to have some of the best broth in the city. It's supposed to be thicker, more flavorful, and that's kind of what sets Taiwanese beef noodle apart from the traditional Chinese beef noodle. Your bowl is assembled with noodles, broth, beef, and greens, and then you can choose to have spicy, not spicy, beef, or also tendon. We're trying all of them, all of them. Whoa. That is spicy. Wow, it is delicious though. The broth is just packed with flavor, but it's not too salty. You can really taste like the depth of the flavor in the broth. It's not overwhelming, but it is very flavorful.
Whoa. Wow. It's like butter. The meat is like butter.
I'm gonna try the tendon, which is a bit more of like a delicacy here. Here we go. It's really good. That was an experience to be had, and I can honestly say I've never had anything like it. It's extremely comforting and hearty at the same time, and it was the perfect thing to follow up a super, super rainy, obviously exhausting day. So we've taken on night markets and beef noodle, and next we're gonna do hot pot. Make sure to tune into the next episode so you can see how Taiwan has taken this dish that's popular throughout the region and made it their own.